Even the chicken breast is so meaty and tender. Wow. I've got to say, this is seriously the best big plate chicken I've ever ate. Please do me a favor and click that subscribe button so I can take you to travel with your taste buds.
Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Dan, I'm in Shanghai, China right now, but today we're going to Xinjiang. And Xinjiang is famous for Uyghur cuisine and halal food. So we're gonna have a lot of Xinjiang specialty feasts at 那时新疆. They are very popular Xinjiang restaurant in Shanghai. They have a few locations, but this is one of the most popular locations. Let's check it out. Guys, let's start our feast with a nice pot of Xinjiang freshly brewed milk tea. Look at this pot. Wow, it just looks so amazing. Ah, you can smell the milky aroma. Mild milky with a little the tea flavor. Very nice. Alright guys, we have some of our dishes here. This is the lamb skewer, most ordered. And there's two different kinds of skewers. This is on a metal skewer. Another one, lamb skewer on a stick of wood. There's definitely a size difference. Let's see if they taste differently. And we also have the most ordered hand-grabbed rice, 手抓饭. Basically, it's specially seasoned rice that's cooked with the lamb. The rice is really flavorful. Still a little hard, a little bouncy. Let me get a bite of the lamb. A little chewy, meaty, but still very tender. You don't taste that gamey taste of the lamb. Hey, top notch. Oh, and usually I'm not a carrot lover, but this carrot, flavorful and sweet. And I think they have a little bit of that chickpea and that raisin, just give another layer of slightly nutty and fruity flavor to it. Top notch. I think we have to try the lamb skewer while it's still hot. Tender, little meaty. The cumins, the hot pepper flakes, and the salt seasoning that they put on top. Top notch. I think they have alternating lean and fat meat, so you can get the chewy, meaty texture and also that burst in juices from the fat. Very nice. And now comes the test. This is 红柳烤肉串. 红柳 is type of wood, and basically it's on a wooden stick and with a bigger chunk of lamb. So let's give it a try. I don't know, maybe it's just my imagination, but this does taste better. It's meatier, and that fat and meat layers, it just seems better. It's juicy, meaty, it's slightly chewy, but still really tender and flavorful. You don't have that lamb gamey taste at all. Very, very nice. Wow, look at this. So pretty. Purple cabbage, and I think underneath the cucumbers. And then on the bottom, this is a special noodle. All right, let's give it some mix and have a bite of everything. Satisfying big bite coming up. Love it. This noodle, the thick noodle, it's very slippery. and also almost a little crunchy, generously coated with that hot chili. Wow, it's spicy, savory, slightly sour from the vinegar. Also, you can get that crunchiness from the bean sprouts and the cabbage. Very refreshing. Alright guys, we have a big soup of lamb parts in here. 羊杂汤. Let me see what's inside. Tomato-based soup, some cabbage. I think these are lamb stomach, green bean noodle, assorted lamb meat, lamb innards. Hey, very nice. Mild tomato sweetness with the umami from the lamb. It's a little meaty lamb soup. Savory, a little sour, a little sweet. Very nice. Let me try the green bean noodles. Very slippery. A nice texture, nice chew to it. When I slurp it, flavorful soup just comes along with the noodle. Very nice. I think these are lamb stomach. Little crunchy, bouncy, and not chewy at all. And you can taste that special little hint of that organ flavor. I think this is probably the lung. Almost like a jelly, a little organ flavor. Big bite of everything. So many texture in one bite. Slippery, bouncy noodle, the chewy, organ texture, very nice. Our big plate chicken is here. It's also another must ordered item. And look at this, how big it is. So happy looking at it. Thick noodles, a generous portion of potatoes, quite a bit of chicken. Let's get some noodles. And let's have a piece of the chicken, some potato, get some special sauce in there to make my own mini bowl of big plate chicken. Chicken first. Chicken is amazing, really flavorful, savory, slight hint of sweetness, and it's so tender and juicy, packed with that 大盘鸡 flavor. Wow. Potato. Almost like a mashed potato. A little bit crunchy on the outside, but you can just smash it with your tongue. Let's try the noodle. Can taste that chicken flavor that's been coated on the noodle. The noodle is thick, a little chewy. And it's satisfying eating such a big noodle. It's kind of interesting, right? It's time to mix the big plate chicken. Everything I like in this plate. First of all, big plate, love it. Very tender, juicy flavor chicken, love it. Thick noodles, love it. And very nicely cooked potato, love it. Let me put it to the real test. Let's try the dry chicken breast. Even the chicken breast is so meaty and tender. Wow. I've got to say, this is seriously the best big plate chicken I've ever ate. Come here and get this, guys. We still got a 烤包子. Let's get to it before it gets cold. Wow, look at this. Very nice 烤包子. It looks so pretty. It's like a pastry. A little bit crispy on the outside, and on the bottom, you can see on the bottom here, a little bit doughy, so you get a nice chew. And inside, the filling is really flavorful. Onions, pieces of lamb. You do taste that special lamb flavor, but it's not gamey, but it's really nice. Mild, savory, crunchy, meaty. Wow. Let's also give this yogurt a try. It's called 酸奶. On top of it, you have some raisin, dry flower petals, I think. Wow, it's almost like a custard. Really creamy. Light sourness from the yogurt, but it's so creamy and smooth. Alright, let me put it aside for now and continue eating our big plate chicken. Guys, it was so satisfying. Wow, the portion was very big. We had to take some home. I mean, it's enough for another meal. And about the food, if I were to pick top 3, number 1, it has to go to that big plate chicken. Just amazingly good. The best big plate chicken I've ever had. Number 2, I wanted to give it to that lamb skewer on the wooden stick. That's something special, very authentic. The third one, I will have to give it to the 烤包子, baked bun in a tandoori oven. That's Xinjiang specialty, and it's very good too. Crispy on the outside, moist, juicy, tender, a little bit oily on the inside. Top notch. You cannot go to Xinjiang? Come here and enjoy the food. Travel with your taste bud. Alright, that's it for this time. I hope you like this video. If you enjoy this video, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button so I can take you to travel with your taste buds. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.